Hey everyone! In this video, I'm going to show you how to change your Behance URL so you can create a more professional branded link for your portfolio in 2026. Let's get into it. First, access your profile settings. The first step is navigating to the back end of your account where your core identity settings are stored. Log in to your Behance account, click on your profile avatar in the top right corner and select Settings from the drop-down menu. Once the Settings page loads, ensure you are on the Account Information tab. It's usually the default view. In 2026, Behance has streamlined its UI, but your Behance URL remains tied to your unique account ID. Navigating to the Account Information tab ensures you're editing the global link that appears on your business cards and social media bios. Next, edit the Behance URL field. Now, you will define your new custom web address. Look to the field labeled Behance URL. You'll see your current link there, for example, behance.net/username. Click the Edit button next to the URL. Delete the old text and type in your new desired username. Lastly, save and update your external links. The final step is committing the change and managing the transition from your old link. Click the blue Apply or Submit button at the bottom of the page to save the change. This will immediately update the link in your email signature, social media bios, and resume. In 2026, Behance does not automatically redirect your old URL to the new one, which means any old links you've shared in the past will lead to a 404 not found error once you hit save. Manually updating your primary touchpoints ensures your clients can always find your latest work without interruption. And that's pretty much it. To change your Behance URL in 2026, go to your account settings, find the Behance URL field under Account Information, type in your new username, and hit Apply. Just remember to update your external links manually to avoid broken connections to your portfolio. I hope this helped you out, and I see you in the next one.